Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I explain Iranian dishes in a simple style and share the customs and traditions of Iran with you. The name of this dish is Kashko'Baademjan. Kashk is a substance made from sour yogurt. The other main ingredient for this dish is eggplant. So if you have kashk or sour yogurt, eggplant, and onion at home, let's get started. First, trim the onion ends, then slicing. Peel the eggplants. Slice the eggplants into 1 centimeter pieces. The thinner the slices of eggplant, the more oil they will absorb when frying. Sprinkle salt on the eggplants and let them sit for 1 to 2 hours. This will remove any bitterness from the eggplants if present, and it will help them absorb less oil during frying. Fry the eggplants over low heat. This helps them cook through while frying. Fry the onions. For this dish, we need a lot of fried onions. Part of it will go inside the dish, and the other part will be used for garnish. Once the onions are almost fried, add the garlic to them. Add turmeric. Set aside a portion of the golden onions for garnishing the dish. Add dried mint to the remaining fried onions. The kashk sold in supermarkets in Iran is industrially produced and is usually thick and liquid. To prepare this substance at home, add a little salt to the sour yogurt and pour it into a cloth bag to strain out the whey and let it dry. If you are using kashk or strained yogurt, first dilute it slightly. Add the kashk to the eggplants and let it cook over low heat for 15 minutes. Using any tool you have, a hand masher, a blender, or the bottom of a glass, mash the mixture. Since both the salted eggplants and kashk are salty, this dish does not need extra salt, but at this stage, taste a bit of it, and if it needs salt, add some. If the eggplants are still firm, add a little water to them and let them cook on low heat for another 10 minutes. Add the mixture of fried onions, garlic, and mint that you prepared earlier to the dish and stir it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow for more tutorials. Let it cook for another 10 minutes so the flavors meld together. Our simple and delicious dish is ready. I hope you make this dish and enjoy its taste. You can serve this dish with bread and fresh herbs. I share simple, practical, and very delicious Persian recipes with you. Thank you very much for being with me.